Okay, so today I am going to give a tutorial on how to do contouring for those times when you're getting ready to go to the casino, or you're gonna go play bingo, or you're gonna go to powwows, things like that. Okay, those types of events. So what you want to do is you want to take your lighter contour bar, and you want to make maybe like a cross, kind of like the Christian people do. And then here you want to do an upside down teepee. Make sure you get the poles in there, make sure they're sticking down, you know. So you want a nice teepee like that. Okay, and here you might want to do like a sheep. Put the sheep head, their feet, their legs, the sheep head, legs, and maybe here you can do like a fence, like you know, for the sheep corral, something like that. You can also do something like here you want to do like corn stalk, you know, your corn stalk here, and that will give you good definition. Now these are things, you know, you want to draw whatever you feel like it's going to make you lucky, you know, or it's going to give you a good day. And you can do like smoke, you know, make it look like smoke's up here on your forehead coming out of the top of the teepee or the hogan. And then you just blend it all together, and then, you know, it just gives you luck, you know. You'll be lucky at the casino, or if you're going to going to go dancing, or you know, whatever it is you're doing. This right here, this contouring will have good vibes. You'll have good vibes, and then you'll be looking cool too. Hip, you'll be hip. And yeah, you just draw whatever you want, you know. If you're going to casino too, if you want to be lucky, you might draw like, you know, slot machine like 777 here. You know, if you're really good, you can draw, you can get really creative with this, you know. Anyways, this will do it for me today. Feeling good vibes here. Maybe I'll win something at bingo, like a sheep, or bag flower, something like that. Some pinions, maybe I'll win pinions. Peace out.